Hello, dear students. This is Shubhi Agrawal, faculty of Mount Literacy School, Jhansi, is going to teach you mathematics today. But before beginning with our today's topic, let me ask you, have you had your breakfast today? I had my breakfast. Okay. So, can you tell me how many chapatis did you eat? Let me give you one example. If your mother made 10 chapatis and you have eaten 2, how many chapatis are left? Very good. 8 chapatis are left. But how do you know? Yes, we subtracted. So children, our today's topic is subtraction. This is the symbol of subtraction. Do you know what is subtraction? Taking away some objects or numbers from a group is called subtraction. Or we can say subtraction is when you take a number and make it smaller by using another number. Let us know about few terms used in subtraction. First, taken away, left, how many more than, remained, difference, given away, etc. Now, do you know what is subtrahend? The quantity or number which is being subtracted is called the subtrahend. The quantity from which the subtrahend is subtracted is called the minuend, and the result is the difference. Children, here you can see 48 as minuend, 38 as subtrahend and 10 as difference. We have subtracted 38 from 48 and the result which we got is known as difference. Let me give you one example. Here we can see crayons. How many crayons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But my friend wants 4 crayons. So let's remove 4 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will remove it. How many crayons are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 crayons are left. Today we will learn how to subtract 1 digit, 2 digit, 3 digit number from a 3 digit number without regrouping. Before that, always make sure that you are arranging the numbers in column according to the place value. So here we are subtracting 1 digit number from 3 digit number. So always start from 1's place. So children, 8 minus 3 will give you 5. No number is written below 2, so we will copy 2 as it is, and same here, no number is written below 5, so we will write it as it is. So our answer, our difference is 525. Now children, we are subtracting 2 digit number from 3 digit number. Again we will start from 1's place. 8 minus 5 will give you 3. 7 minus 4 will give you 3. And no number is given here, So we will write 6 as it is. So children, the difference is 633. This is our third example. Here I am telling you to subtract 3-digit number from 3-digit number. So 6 minus 5 will give you 1. 7 minus 4 will give you 3. And 6 minus 4 will give you 2. So the difference is 231. Here we will learn subtracting 1-digit, 2-digit, 3-digit number or a 4-digit number from a 4-digit number without regrouping. Now children, we will subtract 1-digit number from 4-digit number. I have written 4-digit number in this row and I have written 1-digit number in this row. I have arranged them in column method according to the place value. We will start from the ones place. So 6 minus 3 will give you 3. No number is given below 4, so 4 as it is, 7 as it is, and 4 as it is. So the difference is 4743. Children, here we are subtracting 4-digit number from 4-digit number. So 9 minus 0 will give you 9. 7 minus 6 will give you 1. 9 minus 3 will give you 6. And 5 minus 1 will give you 4. So the difference is 4619. So children, here we can see 3-digit number and we have to subtract a 2-digit number with regrouping. Okay, so let us start with ones place. Can you subtract 4 from 2? No, we can't. So what we can do? We will take from tens place. We will borrow from tens place. So when we will borrow, 6 will become 5 and 2 will become 12. Now we can subtract 4 from 12. Yes. So 12 minus 4 will give you 8. Now 5 minus 2 will give you 3 and no number is written here, so we will write 4. Here we can see a 4-digit number and we have to subtract a 3-digit number. Let's start from ones place. Children, can you subtract 2 from 0? No, we can't. So what we are going to do? We will borrow from tens place. We will borrow from 4. So 4 will become 3 and 0 will become 10. Now we can easily subtract. 10 minus 2 will give you 8. 3 minus 2 will give you 1. Again we can't subtract 6 from 2. Again we are going to borrow from thousands place. So 7 will become 6 and 2 will become 12. Now we can easily subtract 6 from 12. 12 minus 6 will give you 6 and 6 we will write as it is, as no number is written here. So the difference is 6618. So what we have learned today? We have learned how to subtract with regrouping or without regrouping.